Alrighty, hello YouTube and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing the car DUAL AM FM digital audio with Bluetooth, 200 watts, no CD player. It does have iPlug and remote play, does have an aux port, it has a USB and does MP3. Couple little features on it. And then the back side of the box if you would like to pause the video and watch it. We're just going to see what's in the box. This video, we're going to be, not in this video, but we will be installing this unit in our 1994 Dodge sedan where somebody stole our radio, so we need to get a new one. This is only a $20 unit, so we're going to check it out, see if it's worth the money and what comes in the box, because I know that's the big question, is what is in the box. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. There's our unit. Let's see what kind of wires we got in there. Got a somewhat of an instruction manual. Our clip, that'll be good, because we're going to have to take these wires that are in this bag here, I believe, wire these all up to here, and then it should go on to our unit and it'll slip right in. It's going to be a fun process. Nicely water sealed bag here, keeps the dust out and everything. Feels like a head unit, looks like a head unit. Again, trying to do this one-handed, so camera's a little shaky. Looks pretty good. Nice metal frame. There's our pins on the back. This is what the back of the device looks like. Our antenna, we do have one of those. That's that black cable there. This is what the head unit looks like. Nice turn. Got some actual buttons. Little screen on it. Says dual power button. So when your phone's connected, either USB or with the media settings from like iPlug, you can download an app. You can say, "Hey Siri." Looks pretty good. So this is what you get in the box. We're going to check out those wires too. We do get a little removal kit. I believe you slide those underneath the unit like that, and then it will pop out. So you'll have to take this metal box out, and this one already has a little box in. So it'll look like this once we're done. I think we could just slide that in as is, and that'll look good. And then we can put our cover over it. Hope I didn't break it. Did accidentally drop. Like I said, I am one-handed because I'm holding the camera with the other one. $20. It's not bad looking. Again, this is just the unboxing video. The second video on this to how to install it, or what it looks like installed and how it sounds, will be the next video posted on the channel. So if you look up part 2 dual unit, it will be on there. So again, this is just the unboxing video. If you have any questions about this, please ask down in the comments below. But just so everybody knows what comes in the box. This is our head unit. Can't wait to install it and jam out.